It's perfect patio weather. Wouldn't you love to start your day right here in this beautiful backyard? And then end the day entertaining with friends and family. After a night of entertaining, nobody's gonna fight over who does the dishes in this gourmet kitchen. Welcome home to this beautiful one-story property in the master plan community of Canyon Falls. 4 bedrooms, laundry room with extra storage, more space for entertaining, fourth bedroom, perfect for an office. After a long day of entertaining, you can wind down in your peaceful primary suite. I'll just be relaxing here in your new backyard until you call me for a private showing.